Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been however long, a whole ass year, but I'm gonna try to be back on it, especially with this quarantine. You know, me and everybody else has nothing to do, so why not watch me do my makeup like almost every day. We'll see how many videos I can get out in the allotted time. But yeah, this is gonna go really fast, and this is my first time doing a voiceover in forever, so just bear with me through this whole process. So the very first thing I already did was styled my brows with the Got To Be glue, and then prime them with e.l.f. concealer. I'm going in with this NK birthday cake palette and taking this magenta color as well as this coral color, and then I took a bubblegum pink on this bubblegum pink on this eye, and I didn't make a full cut crease. I just kind of did like a little half, and then I went in with my LA Girl White Pro concealer. This concealer, I think I got one out of a bad batch, that's why it looks like that, but it still works for me, so it's all good. And then on the other eye, I just pretty much did the same thing, but went in with a blue and a yellow instead. And then I'm taking my face powder and putting that on top of the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer just to set it. And then I'm going back in with the concealer and then doing pretty much the same thing I did on my eye in the opposite direction and on the opposite eye. So I'm taking the yellow and then the blue and then the magenta. And on the other eye, I'm going to do the pink and then the coral and then the magenta.
No names in the song. Quit dealing with names. There's no games when I'm on. Won't you? Quit dealing with names. There's no games when I'm on.
I also applied this beautiful glitter from Yami's Boutique. There's shape glitters and heat wave, and then this flower glitter as well, as applied some Broadway lashes. Then I went in with my Bliss Cream to Water Moisturizer to moisturize the face before I applied primer, which was my Soap and Glory one heck of a blot primer, and then went back in and blended everything on the eye, of course, and applied my face powder. It's the Hard Candy Bake Brighten set on the face, and I also did the continuous spray after that. I just forgot to get that in the clip. For my color correcting today and contouring, I'm using the Cokie Cream Contour Palette in dark, and then to highlight, I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer in caramel, and then the e.l.f. HD lifting concealer in Light Ivory, which is what I use to prime my eyes as well. Blending it out, of course, going back in for the third time with that same powder to set underneath the eyes. And then from that same Cokie line, I'm taking the powder contour palette and contouring as well as baking, my fave, if you don't already know. And then I took an NK makeup white eyeliner and did the same thing once again with the shades and put that underneath my lash line. And I already went in with my mascara. I forgot which one I used, but I did my normal cream contouring. This is not cream contouring, I said that last time too. This is cream highlighting before I go in later and highlight. I took the NK makeup palette again and used the coral and the pink to blush. And then I'm going to go in with my actual highlight, which is the Lancome Sparkling Peach highlighter, and highlight the face. For the lips, I just did the Yami's Boutique Clear Gloss on top of my NYX GingerSnap, which is running out, unfortunately. And then did my Saweetie and Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to finish everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was so fast. I'm going to try to do better. I'm so used to Instagram videos, but I'm going to try to do better to make them longer and probably more put together at some point. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good shit. Okay, bye. Khalil, your fucking laugh at the end.
That could be your tag.